This is one of those things where you can't really get the experience that you need to work in the automotive industry and vehicle wraps and tinting online. You need to get your hands dirty. You need to put your hands on the car, work with the film, work with the tools. That's the only way you're going to get better. That's the only way you're going to build the skills that you need to be an expert in this industry.
My name is Samir Suleiman, and I'm here taking the wrapping class, detailing class, and tinting class.
Luis Velez. I'm from Concord, California. I have a shop in Lafayette, California. I came in to learn automotive wrap.
I've always just wanted to start wrapping, expanding my services, and then all of a sudden, I started looking into wrapping classes and stuff, and Right Look was the #1 that popped up on the Google search, so looked at the reviews, looked at the pictures, and I knew this was the place for it.
I've looked online, various Google searches, Yahoo searches, everywhere, and Right Look kept popping up. So I started watching the videos, seeing the testimonials, seeing some of the work that was done, and a couple months later, I'm here.
So my basic profession was an auto locksmith, and then just a detailer coming up out of the gutter, basically just learning from the start, and I wanted to take it on and get certified and everything, and then just keep going from there and expand on the services that I already have,
The first day of class was definitely well worth it, at least for me, owning a business and operating it. So it's always nice to see some of the back end stuff, the front end office type stuff, what goes into the film, marketing, even just kind of estimating projects and things like that.
So when I first got here, I always just thought it was just putting on a sticker on a car, but when Ruben just explained a little bit more, it was just more than just putting a sticker on a car. It's more of laying it, the fundamentals of the measurements, the size, the heating elements, everything like that. Even the tools are more different from just tools of, wedges and just cutters. The knives are a lot different from the window tinting to vinyl wrapping. It's a whole bigger, more of like a harder look on it than what it is just on video.
I had no experience whatsoever coming into this, so a lot of anxiety, a lot of nervousness building up on what can I expect, what am I going to be doing. But I'm really glad that I took the chance, came out here.
Went from practicing one day to the next day, we're doing the full car and we're almost done. The third day, we have the whole car already done. I thought it was gonna take longer to learn, but it's something you can grasp onto. When Ruben teaches you how to do things, you grasp onto it. It's more of a knowledge of just grasping it and going on with it, hands-on.
Working with someone like Ruben is awesome because he's got over 15 years experience, but he's teaching us some of his tips, tricks. It's that old adage of you pay someone for their skill and not so much of their time. So obviously he has a lot of skill and experience.
With Ruben, he always comes to your corner. If you ever need help, he'll come help you and just show you how to do it one by one step. It's not like, all right, I'm gonna show you once and you do it on your own. He kept assisting us all the way through. Smaller classes a little bit better. We help our peers a little bit better. We know each other a little bit more personal within the few days we're together. So we're really a hardworking team at the end of the day, you could say.
This is one of those things where you can't really get the experience that you need to work in the automotive industry and vehicle wraps and tinting online. You need to get your hands dirty. You need to put your hands on the car, work with the film, work with the tools. That's the only way you're gonna get better. That's the only way you're gonna build the skills that you need to be an expert in this industry.
I never knew how many different techniques there were, but compared to me seeing it on YouTube of a guy just saying, oh, heat it up as much as you can and just flex it. No, that's not how it goes.
I think the certification sets you apart in this industry. There are a lot of people online and in various places that are considered professionals. The certification shows that you went through a process and you develop your skills enough that you become certified in that particular trade. It's definitely going to set me apart from those other shops that although they may have the experience, they may not have the credentials and certifications necessary to be considered an expert.
Personally, when I first came in, I felt like I was not gonna know anything about this industry, or I didn't think I was gonna learn enough in 3 days. But walking out of here on the third day, I'm pretty confident I can go back home and start just wrapping my own car, wrapping my family's cars, friends' cars, customer cars, and build a bigger clientele and a bigger base for wrapping cars. Because a lot of people don't know about wrapping cars, but it's the way to go. It's better than a paint job. It's more cost efficient of it. So walking out of here, I feel like I can bring more people into the wrap industry, hopefully.
My name's Luis Velez. Diablo Auto Works based in Lafayette, California. If you're considering taking any course at Right Look, I suggest you do it. The team here is awesome. They're supportive. You get small classes, so you're getting really one-on-one attention with the instructor. You're gonna learn a lot of skills, tips, and tricks. You're also gonna network with other professionals that come here and really wanna take their business to the next level. So if you're looking for a place to do this, I suggest you call Right Look and take advantage of it and do it.
So my name is Samir Suleiman, coming from Wisconsin, 23 years young. Got my own detail shop, Limitless Auto. But leaving here, I'm very glad Ruben and Right Look gave me the opportunity to learn how to wrap and take advantage of the 3-day course, as well as the package of doing the other detailing and window tinting. I really appreciate it, and I can say nothing more about that, but I really appreciate Right Look and Ruben for teaching me the fundamentals and techniques of wrapping.